Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can change the menu background color in Divi WordPress website. So let's go to theme customizer, and after that we will be able to edit this header section. Now here you can see theme customizer is loading. After a few seconds, here you can see on the left side, these are all the options to customize your Divi WordPress website. So now let's go to header and navigation, then click here primary menu bar. Now scroll down, here you can find out all the options to customize primary menu. So now you can click background color, and after that you can add your own color that you want. For example, if you want to change it to red, here you can see menu background color is added. If you want to change the text color, you can scroll up, here you can see for the text color you can add whatever you want. So in this way you can easily add background color in primary menu. After that you can click publish, then this color will be added in your Divi WordPress website.